Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and this is not going to be any journal share video, but I have just listed two digital kits. So they are in the butterfly theme, but of course they are on the grungier side. So these two kits are like they have 5 pages each, and one is more on the muted tones and the other is the like this muted tones, meaning the butterfly images are not very clear. You can add them as backing papers, or if you want you can do some backgrounds for something. So that was the intention, and this is the main butterfly kit, butterfly grunge kit. So so let me do the flip through of these kits, and of course I'm going to do some projects with these, but I don't know, like I will be receiving my second dose of vaccine today, so I don't know how well or unwell I will be, because last time when I took the first dose I was super sick, and since I already have some lung problems, it just heightens up. I don't know. Hopefully I will try and take some rest and ease out on some of the chores that I have to do. So that is one of the reasons why I have done this flip through today, and let's hope you people like it. So this is the first page. As you can see, it's pretty grungy, and it is called the Butterfly Grunge. So you can use them as journal pages like this or like this. Okay, they do not come with any pockets, tags or anything, but if anybody wants, then I can work on that. But right now I decided just to come out with the papers. So you can make your own journal cards, tags, things like that. So these papers I have printed on a little bit of creamish paper, so that is why they have kind of more on the yellowish grunge tone. But if you print them on a stark white paper, they will not look as grungy. I will show you the difference also. So this is the second page. This is the third page, and I have done a lot of layering at the background, you can see, and I've used images, and I like the transparent look, like how the butterfly, you can see through the background, you can see the background through the wings of the butterfly, and I like that effect. So it's like so. This is the third page. This is the fourth page. Okay, and love how it turned out. So, and this is the fifth page. So they are layered several times, so they have come out pretty nicely, and the butterflies are large and big, so if you're making a journal, just fold them like so, and they will be on a page. You can put a pocket over here, so you get the best of both. So that's how they have been designed. So 5 pages, and what you get is, if you purchase the Butterfly Grunge main kit, I will mail you this extra sheet separately, which is not in the listing, but you will get this once you purchase the main kit, not the add-on kit. This freebie comes with the main kit, so make sure that your PayPal ID is PayPal mail ID is the correct one. You have not checked in as a guest, because sometimes if that happens, then your freebie is not going to reach you. I will mail this separately to the mail ID you will provide me through your PayPal ID. Or better still, when you're checking out, there is a place where you can write your comments. You just write your mail ID there, so that I can mail this freebie which is with the main kit, not with the add-on kit. Add-on kit has a separate freebie. So if you're buying 2 kits, then you get 12 sheets, like 5 main pages and 1 extra for the thank you page for the main kit. And if you're buying the add-on kit, then you get all the add-on papers that are 5 sheets and 1 extra. That is the thank you sheet. So make sure to write the mail ID properly where I'm going to mail this image, you know, so you don't have any worries. You can work on them. So this is a thank you gift, and this I have printed on a stark white, as you can see, stark white paper. This is also, I think this is 120 GSM. It's a thicker variety. I like to use thicker paper for my journal pages. It helps, you know, it is sturdy enough to take all your stitching and stuff like that. So that's that. So you get this as a freebie if you're buying the Butterfly Grunge kit, main kit. Remember, the main kit will get this freebie. And this is the background add-on papers. Okay, again, this has 5 sheets. Let me so this is the main kit freebie and the main kit, and this is the add-on. So this is the first page of the add-on. The add-on I have printed on a you know, stark white cardstock, and it has come out pretty nicely. So this is the first page. Second page, you get the you know, the butterfly image in a very light version. Just if you are planning on making a butterfly journal using the main pages, then you can use these as supplementary pages. Okay, so this is the third page. Again, some very light butterfly images you can see here. So this is the third page. This is the fourth page. Again, the visibility, you can see the butterfly over here, the large butterfly over here. Okay, this is a little bit grungy, more grungy you can say. So this is you can see the butterflies slightly, and this is the add-on, this is the grungy kit, so I expected this to be a little bit grungy, so that's fine. And this is the freebie you get. So, and again, as I said, when you're checking out, there is a portion where you can write comments, or even you can message me later on that with your mail ID. I will just mail you the extra or the thank you sheet, because that is convenient for me. So I'm going to do that. So if you buy both the kits, then you get both the freebies, and if you're buying any one of these, then you get the freebie that comes with that kit. You cannot buy the add-on and ask for the main butterfly freebie. So that's that. And yeah, so this is going to be listed in my shop. This is already listed basically. By the time you see this, it's listed. So I will be back after I have been vaccinated, and we'll carry on with our snippet cluster. And I have done something new also. I will show you that. That is kind of cluster roll using paper. So I have already done some masterboard collage, which I'm going to cut down and make into rolls. I will show you how I did that, and I'll just give you a glimpse. I think I have it somewhere here. I can't seem to find it. I have placed it somewhere very securely, and that is the main thing. Just a minute, I'll be back. Okay, so what I've done is I have made a snippet roll sort of thing. So I had seen Carol in Laws do something similar, but I don't have enough book page to do this, and I decided to use this composition notebook backing because I had created some masterboards, and I wanted to use those masterboards. So I made the masterboards and then I cut them down and stitched them into this roll. So if you want to see how I did that, then of course I can show you, because I already have things planned around. So I have made these two, and then I'm going to do the decoration also. So again, if you're watching this and if you have not yet subscribed, then please do. And thank you for watching this video. And as I said, by the time you see this, these are going to be listed. These are going to be called grungy butterfly grunge kit. So this is the main kit, and this is the add-on papers kit. Now the add-on doesn't mean that it comes with pockets and tags, because I know people have this weird sometimes I get some weird messages, but these are add-on papers. These are not add-on pockets, tags or something like that. Maybe I will work on them. I'm not sure right now, because right now I'm more worried about my vaccination and the consequences. So I will be back. Maybe I'm going to take a break of a day or two. Then I'll be back to show you how I can make those snippet rolls or clusters, more clusters that I have done. I'll show you how you can do them easily, and then keep them for your future projects. So thank you everybody for watching this and supporting my shop. I'm so pleased with the response. Thank you once again. Bye, have a great day and stay safe.